Hello friends, today I'm sharing these 4 easy drag marble nail art designs. These are very easy to do and you can do them on long or short nails. The first design is a pink nail art with white hearts. This is a very simple design and it looks very attractive. For this, first apply pink polish on your nails. Apply a thick layer so that the polish is wet when we are dragging it. Then I added 3 dots in a straight line horizontally on the nails. Then using a needle or a thin striping brush, drag the dots as shown. Drag one towards the top, one towards the bottom and the other one again towards the top. Now allow the design to dry a little bit. And then using a dotting tool, make a few dots all around the 3 hearts as shown. Fill up the tip of the nails with the dots and add a few dots towards the top part also. Finally, finish off the design with a layer of glossy top coat and your easy pristine white heart nail art design is done. This design is very easy to do and it looks very cute. Now for the next design, I used my little finger for it because this design is suitable for the little finger. To make this design, first apply a pink polish on your nails. I used a very deep pink polish and then I used banana cream color polish and made 2 dots. And I topped it up with a blue polish as shown. Then again using a needle or a thin striping brush, I dragged the dots to give it the shape of a heart as shown. Allow the design to dry up and then using the same banana cream polish, I made a line of dots all around, leaving the cuticle area, and this easy design is done. When the design gets dried up completely, remember to apply a layer of glossy top coat to keep the design on longer. This design is perfect for tiny nails, especially the little finger where we do not have too much space. Now for the third design. This I made on my thumb because my nail had broken and it is very small. This lilac heart design is similar to the first one. I applied a purple polish on my nails and then using a lilac color, I made 3 dots as shown. Then using a thin striping brush, I dragged the design as I had done for the first nail art. But in this design, instead of covering the lower part of the nail with dots, I used a slightly different colored polish and covered the area near the cuticle with some tiny dots to give it a different look. You can make this design on very small nails also and it will still look very attractive. And remember to apply a glossy top coat after the design dries up. This helps keeps the design stay on the nails longer. And this is also a very easy nail art design. The fourth design is a muddled up design. This I named it gold muddle because it is an abstract design. For this, first apply deep polish on your nail, any deep color. Then using any light polish, I used a sky color and pink polish. I made a few dots as shown. Then using a thin striping brush or a needle, just drag the dots in an abstract manner. You don't have to make any specific pattern, just keep on dragging till you feel that you are satisfied with the design or till the polish becomes difficult to drag. It was a hot day, so the polish got dried up a bit quickly. I couldn't drag it as much as I wanted to, but I made a few drags here and there. And finally, when you are satisfied with the dragging, allow the design to dry up completely. Then use gold polish and give it all around the dragged design to give it a more glamorous look and to cover up any of your mistakes. Finally, remember to apply a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design, and your easy drag marble design is done. So these are the 4 easy drag marble nail art designs that I made. I hope you liked all these designs, and thanks for watching.